Honor has launched the Band 8 in the Indian market. The company has kept its price at 2,499 rupees. This device will be made available for sale from e-commerce platform Amazon on January 8th. It has a 0.96-inch multi-touch screen OLED display, which comes with the Lift to Wake Up feature. It is able to monitor the heartbeat continuously, which calculates the heartbeat accurately using the intelligent algorithm. This device also monitors user sleep. Interactive call and message reminder feature is provided with this. It is water resistant and its battery life is 9 days. The company claims that its standby time is 18 days. If you like our channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.